Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to give an overview of my recently created project called Blog Management API. Okay, it's a simple Node.js application which is responsible for managing the blog post. Okay, so like this backend service, it provides the functionality for user management and the blog post management. Okay, so if I talk about the functionality like a part of the websites, so it supports various functionalities such as user management. So in the user management, like it support to sign up a new user account. Okay, sign in with the user name and password, and it will also support a feature for get the user details. Okay, and in the blog post management section, so it will support various features for creating such as for creating getting all the blog posts, fetching a specified blog post, and updating a specific blog post and deleting the specific blog post. Or this functionalities this service has supported. Okay, so if I talk about the API and endpoints, so like the first API endpoints which have like first one is the API slash auth slash sign up, and it's responsible for creating a new user account. It's a post method. Okay, if I go to the second route like API slash auth slash sign in, like it's also a post method, and it's responsible for signing with the help of username and password. Okay, and the third one is API slash auth slash user ID. It's a get request, and with this help of this endpoint or route, you will fetch the specific user details. Okay, and the another API like the endpoints it have like API slash posts. It's a post method, and it's responsible for creating a new blog post. And if I use this API slash post method as a get request, so it will fetch all the posts which are created, okay, on the server. And the API slash post ID, it's a get request, and it will fetch the specific blog post um, by given the with the response of post ID. Okay, and if I talk about this another route like called API slash post ID, and it's a simple patch request. So this endpoint is responsible for updating any blog post. Okay, and the last one is the API slash post ID, and it's a simple delete method. And by this endpoint will delete the specific blog post. Okay. Now, if I talk about the technology stacks, so this like backend service is made with Express.js, which is a application framework for Node.js application. Bcryptjs I have used, and it's a simple Node.js library for hashing or salting the password. And JSON Web Token, it's the library for creating the JSON Web Token for authentication purpose. And MongoDB, it's the ODM called Object Data Modeling library for MongoDB. Okay. Now, if I talk about like how to run this service on your local system. So for this, you just need to follow these simple steps. The first one is to clone this repository. For clone this repository, you just need to copy this command and paste on your terminal. Okay. And then the second one is to navigate your project folder. Okay. So for this also, you just need to copy paste this command. And then the third one is the install the project dependencies. And for that, you just need to run this command npm install. And the last one is start a development server with this command npm run dev. Okay. So if you run this project by the help with this help of this simple command, you will be able to run the server. Okay, and this I have also documented this like project with this swagger. So if you go to the endpoint like called API slash docs, you will be able to see all the endpoints which are currently supported by this service. So I will show you the endpoint. For that, I just need to go to this base URL. Okay, here you can see. It's telling us welcome to blog management platform. And now I will append the endpoint as API hyphen docs, and I will click on this enter button, and you can see that the Swagger UI has been loaded. Okay. So here you can see the different routes which are supported by this project or service. Okay, I just tell you an overview, uh, how to refer this Swagger application. So now if I grow this blog post, like the post method under endpoint is API slash post, which is responsible for creating a new blog post. Okay. So for creating this project, you need one access token, and how you can get the access token? By login to this service, you can get the access token, and you just need to copy paste the access token here. And in the request body, you just need to give your post title, post description, and post category. Okay, and after that, if you hit the send button, you will be able to create your post, and it will give the response like this, like success to message as a strict format, like such something as your post has been created successfully, and you will get the details of your post, newly created post. Okay, and these are the response you can get, like for 400 it will be for bad request, and if you did not provide a token, you will get this type of response like 400 one status code and success will be false, and message something like you did not provide the authentication token. Simple. Now I will go back to my readme file. So here, after the documentation, I have also provided the postman collection. So if you click on this click here button, like click here, so you will go to the postman collection, like I have clicked here, and you can see this is a simple JSON file. You just need to copy paste all this JSON file. Okay, and now you need to open your postman. Okay, so I will show you how you can run this. So you just need to open your postman like this. Wait for my postman to load it. Sorry, due to my system, it's taken some time. Mm, okay, so now you can see it's loading. Mm, okay, here you can see my postman collection is running, and how you can run this collection. So here you can see you have all the JSON. So you just need to select all this JSON file, copy it, and go to your postman collection. And here you will find a import button. Just click on this import button. Okay, and here you will see one input field, like it's telling the paste the curl URL or the raw text. So I will paste this JSON file here, and it will be like I have already my blog management application, so that's why it's telling me to, would you like to, a collection blog management is already exists, would you like to import as a copy or replace it? So I will click on import as a copy, and you can see this folder has been created to my postman, and you can see the different route, like sign up, you can see this route and what are the body you need to pass, and you will also check the header parameter if it's required any header. Okay, so by this way you can have a reference of this postman function. Okay, so this is our my application for creating this application, and for the endpoint users, you just need to refer my Swagger documentation or the postman collection, which is provided in this along with the project. And I will also provide the link of this GitHub repo, and like deployed URL, and the post Swagger UI. Okay, Swagger URL also. so that you can have a look on this project. So I hope you like my project presentation. If you have any query, just feel free to comment below. And if you like my project, just hit the like button and hit the subscribe button also, so that it will give the, like, if you hit the subscribe button or like button, it will give me the motivation for getting the subscribe video. So thank you for watching this video. I will meet you soon with the new video or new project. Bye. Have a nice day.